In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change an event name in Calendly so your meetings stay organized and clear. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Start by logging into your Calendly account and heading to the home page. Here you'll see a list of all your scheduled events. Take a moment to locate the specific event whose name you want to update. Selecting the correct event is key to making the change. Once you've found it, click on the event and look for the gear icon. This is your settings tool. Click it and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Don't worry, it's designed to be simple and user-friendly. Inside this panel, find the event name field and click into it. Now you can type in the new name. Make it clear, concise and descriptive so your attendees immediately understand the purpose of the meeting. Once you're happy with the update, double check for typos or errors, then click Save Changes at the bottom of the panel. And that's it. Your event name is now updated and all participants will see the change. This quick adjustment helps keep your schedule clear and professional, making it easier for everyone to stay on track. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smooth, simple tech tutorials.